I just wanted to really, reach out to everybody, especially about this herpes thing. And, it's in the news a lot. I'm not saying any names, but, I think that there is such a twisted interpretation when it comes to herpes. First and foremost, I want to let you ladies know it is not a timed test. So if you go to the doctor and find out that you have herpes, there is no telling how long you have had it, unless, of course, you get tested every year. Now, a lot of women come to me and say, I get tested every year for everything, and I never had anything because I diagnose a lot of people. Well, here's the deal. Not every doctor checks for everything. If you don't generally have any complaints, 9 times out of 10, your doctor may not be checking. Because if you say, I never had any symptoms, if you're a healthy young lady, 9 times out of 10, you won't have any symptoms. The sad part is, I'm speaking quotes for African Americans. African American women over the age of 40, between 55 and 60% are positive for herpes. And they have no idea because they've never had any signs or symptoms. They've never had a complaint, and most of their doctors have never checked for it. Do you know how many people that I examine who are married for 10 or 15 years, or who are about to get married, or whatever the case may be, and they never know, and they come in and they're heartbroken. And so the thing is that I give an hour long, almost an hour, about half an hour long, discussion or counseling about it, because it's not what you think. It's not what Wikipedia or Google or what these places say. It's not what you think, and you have to get information, especially when it comes to going to the media saying, this is what I would love to be able to educate all of you ladies and say, hey, let's sit, let's talk, and let me explain what it is. And then if you all want to get tested for it, that's fine. But you can't look at your current partner and say, hey, you gave me this. There's no way to do that. You don't know whether you came to your relationship with it, whether the both of you guys had it, or whether he gave it to you. And at the end of the day, it's a mere virus of the skin. It is not going to hurt anybody. It's never going to be the reason you go to the emergency room. It's not going to stop you from having children. And the generic sense of the word, you can't give it to your children. You can't give it to anybody sitting on your toilet. You just can't. It hides in your immune system. It's a virus of the skin. If you feel like you want to talk about it a little bit more, hit me at Atlanta Premiere on Ask Dr. Tasha, and have a good day, y'all.